everybody, welcome to Cheryl Technology Channel again. This is your host Chris with Arch Linux Part 2. Now in our first video you saw that I was kind of introducing you to Arch. Now we're going to download it. So the first thing you got to do is head over to archlinux.org. Oh, by the way, if this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. Welcome to my channel where we do all things tech here. We do videos on everything involving tech. I don't care. We even did some on DVDs. Oh yeah, old school, let's go. And so in this video, we're going to be looking at Arch Linux. We're going to download it. We're going to burn it to a flash drive, and that'll be the end of that video. And we're going to just continue this series of installing and doing things this way so that you can see how to do it for yourself, step by step, all the way. So let's go right into this. Head over to https archlinux.org, and let's go to, this is the home page right here. You saw it in the last video. Go to the download button. Now, what we're going to do is, there's plenty of these things that you could directly write it, but I like to do it a different way. And right here you see this is your update command, pacman. It's package manager. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom to the United States. We're going to go directly get the ISO file, and I'm just going to pick the first, and see they have Arch Linux. So this is 2024. That's 5.1. That's 15 days ago. That's a good one for me. We're going to get the ISO file directly, and then I'm going to pause this until it comes back. Okay, everybody, we're back. Finished up the download. What I'm going to do, I've got a 32 gig hard drive or flash drive here. It says Papa West, but it don't have that on there no more. It hadn't had that on there for a month. Okay, we're going to enter that into there you go. So it's got CentOS on it right now. So we're going to go into, I use Rufus almost every time. That is not what I wanted to do. So we're going to do Rufus. Yep. Okay, so we select, this is our SanDisk Cruiser Glide USB, and we're going to select our ISO image, which is Arch Linux. And you notice it says disk or ISO image. So it's like a hybrid. So it'll do either or. And then we click open and then start. Now it's going to give you an error, like a warning. It's going to say you've selected an ISO hybrid image. This means it can be written either in ISO file copy mode or disk image mode. I do ISO always. So let's write it. It's warning you, you're going to delete everything, blah, blah, blah. Let's go. It's going to destroy it all, and then we will be back in a minute. Okay, everybody, we're back, and it looks like the flash drive got done. And so what we're going to do now is I'm going to stop the video right there. We're about 3 minutes and 20 seconds or so. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transition to the stuff behind me. I don't know if y'all can see it. Right there, I got my little cam, my phone set up with Droid Cam, ready to go. Let's get it popping. And if you don't know Jesus, reach out to me at CherylTechnology@gmail.com in the comments, or not in the comments. Send me an email. You know what to do. Thank y'all for watching. May the Lord walk with each and every one of you and bless every step you take. And until my next video, everybody, stay tuned for part 3. Peace.